Three.
So guys, you are watching this series of interviewing an entrepreneur. In that particular thing, we are next stop at something which is very, very close to my heart. And this is one of the team which has, gone to some great heights. The company originated here in Graphic Era itself with the help of TBI. They have actually give a shape in that particular case, and now they are far beyond us. Okay, they are all across the country. They are making some great mark, and you would be very happy to interact with them because I'm very happy to announce that the D-Town Robotics team is here with us today, and both of their founder is here with us, Vinash Chandra as well as Manas Upadhyay.
Hi.
Welcome, guys.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thanks a lot for managing and getting time to come on this particular session. I know you guys are super booked and busy in that particular case, but
Yeah.
this is something giving back to the society. So
Yes,
Manas,
yes.
hi.
Hi, sir.
Seeing you after quite a long time.
Yeah.
And it's quite a pleasure. So all of you guys, I just wanted to know, Manas was one of the faculty at Graphic Era University in the electronics department, heading the robotics, and he has achieved quite a good, remarkable stuff when he was in the university itself, and now he is pursuing his dream on a bigger end. Avinash, how are you, Avinash?
I'm fine, totally fine, sir.
Yes, Avinash, a student, become a graduate, then a faculty, and now he is a founder in that particular case. So these guys, these two duo, has actually have originated this thing called D-Town Robotics. And I'm not going to steal the fun from that particular thing. So guys, all to you, please let the audience know how and when the journey of D-Town Robotics started, how you guys have thought about it, and what was the whole story of the origin of this marvelous company, D-Town Robotics.
Okay. So, hello guys. My name is Manas Upadhyay, and with me is Mr. Avinash Pal. So, we are the director of D-Town Robotics. In other words, this is a technology-based company which is working on providing cutting-edge solutions in the field of embedded systems and robotics. So, we started our journey as we are a graduate from Graphic Era University only, and we had our graduations in 2017. So we were working on the field of robotics from last 4 years when we graduated. Like from 2013 we started our journey, and it's been like around 8 years working on the same field. In the meantime, for us it is like we have done both the things, like practically as well as theoretically. As a background, I'm a BTech from Graphic Era University and I MTech from BITS Pilani in the field of robotics and embedded systems. So right now I'm pursuing my PhD from Sweden, like in a distance learning course as the coronavirus is going on. On a contrary part with D-Town Robotics, we started a journey in 2018 in December under the guidance of Vishal sir. So like all other TBIs also, Graphic Era supported us in the initial days while starting our business, or you can say in the field of a startup. As you can see, like India is right now in the growing verge of technology. So the amount of support which you need while you are starting a startup which is based on some cutting edge technology is very difficult. So at that very at that seed time, if you get any type of support, it is like very crucial for you to start your journey. So as far as us, so we are like actually completely indulged into the development of robotics and drones. So in the latest development in in the time of coronavirus, so our company was the first company to actually deliver. I as a individual worked with AIMS New Delhi to actually develop a robot, which was actually developed in the facilities of AIMS only. Okay, so one of my friends was there only in AIMS, and we had a collaborative work regarding this thing. So we actually developed that system in around 5 days for telemedicine and the medical delivery robots, and that was actually published in AIMS New Delhi. After AIMS New Delhi,
Are we audible?
Yes, you are.
yeah, okay. So after AIMS Delhi, we actually produced 2 more robots which were actually donated to ISKCON temple in New Delhi region. As ISKCON Temple was working at that time for the food delivery system, and they were actually putting around 4 lakh people every day with food. After that, we were actually indulged with government of India.
Guys, I think we have lost them in that particular case. They would be connecting back. So while they are connecting back, I just wanted to inform you guys that the beauty of this particular team is this is a very high intellectually technology savvy team who started with the drone technology, and in the embedded system, whatever you want to make, this team has the capability to make that. As Manas was informing us that he has in the personal capacity was hired and commissioned by AIMS to find a solution of telemedicine and tele checking kind of a thing, where they have made this robot which is going into the wards where corona patients are there and delivering them the medicines and things like that. So that is
Yes.
something which is actually a very, very nice thing. But apart from that, there was a lot of things which they have done on the drone technology. Okay, so they are back. So back to you guys.
Yes.
I was
So,
just filling up for that particular thing. The
so
glitches which
sorry,
happen in
like
this.
there was some network issues. Yes. Yeah.
No,
Yes.
Yes, sir. So the thing is ki, yeah, like after giving that robot, so we were actually indulged with Government of India Department of Agriculture. So there was a very big problem which sustained in the world, which was on the attack of locust which happened in India.
yes.
So
Yes.
when that attack happened, yeah, in that attack, we were actually indulged in the development of drones. So we actually got up in catch to a tender which was given out by Government of India, and in that tender, what we proposed was to spray anti-locust disinfectants and in fact like fertilizers into the sprays on a very large area and into a very short amount of time. So in regard to that, we were the first company to get awarded for spraying or so for doing anti-locust operations in India in overall 4 states. So it was a total government tender with a tenure of around 2 months. So we like executed it successfully, and from the month of May to July. After July, uh, like we had some common connections, and we indulged into like with Government of Textiles, Government of India, like the Ministry of Textiles,
Ministry of
Government of India. So that guy, yeah, that guy is the retired director of National Institute of Design,
Wow.
Gujarat. Yeah. So is actually novel, and we were actually working as a joint venture with him. So we were the first company exactly to make world's first anti-corona jacket. What it is basically
Wow.
it has a 360-degree motion sensor. Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
It has UV sanitizing pockets,
Cool.
and that fabric which is actually we are using as an anti-droplet fabric. Yes.
And that
So
fabric
what you
is
are
also
making
That
a
fabric
super
fabric is
jacket
actually
or
a yes. That actually is in the market right now. So we have actually procured around 50 pieces, and that have been like successfully shipped to Brazil and Canada.
wow.
So we have got an order from that. Yeah. So we are like working as a technology imbibement with that company, which is actually making these, and these are actually available in the market for the price of around 5,999. So the thing is ki like unlike all the other solutions which you see on the UV side, on the ultraviolet side, our solution, like the whole jacket, works from your mobile phone. You can actually connect that power jack to the mobile phone, and it only requires that amount of power. You don't need to have any type of AC power to actually run that jacket. You can actually wear it, connect your power bank, and you can actually move. So this was the first project this was the first product which we did for UV. The second product is called the cover, which is basically a cover based briefcase in which you can actually sanitize everything. And that briefcase is also portable. Means everything which you sanitize in it, you can actually carry it with you. So basically it is a type of coat cover, and you
Very
can actually
nice.
put an like a good amount of clothes in it, and it has a like all those functions like automatic cut, timer, and all those things. So that whole system works on 5 volts, and you can actually power the whole system with your mobile phone. So
Great.
like the main thing to work on those things was the tangible media, because like if you make that system bulky, it would be hard to carry. If you make it portable, it will be very easy to carry.
Yes.
So like we were the first company right now, like that company which we are working is Zypher Solutions, and that company actually like launched that product, and we actually were in verge of that technical partnership.
Okay.
So that is the
Great.
world's first company to get into smart garments. So like they were actually needing a good partner in terms of technology integration, and now like we are working
Great.
with them, and we are like coming with good solutions right now, like in the upcoming time for the same. So like
Amazing.
these are like right now for us, like these are the two main targets which we are like pushing ourselves into it, and we have like some good plans right now. Yes,
No,
which
no,
are
I
coming in
understand.
the
You told me there are something in unraveling, so I'm not
yes,
going to steal that thunder.
yes, sir.
Let
Yeah,
it be on a secret trap. Any which
yeah,
ways,
sir.
the
Like
whole idea of this particular thing to just sensitize our viewers who are like fresh graduate coming down,
yes, 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 yes.
joining the college, and to want to understand.
Mhm.
So,
Yeah,
guys, it's always a pleasure to listen to you guys, and
yeah.
I
Thank you so much.
really get amazed with the newer technology, high tech, and the new implication of the technology into the real world you guys are doing.
Thank you so much.
Maybe under your own banner or maybe working as a consultant to the other
Yes,
companies, because yes, the world has to know that not every company do everything on their own. If Reliance is such a big company, there are
exactly.
multiple small companies who are working on the background of it to make Reliance what Reliance is. So
Yes,
that is also a learning which the people have to understand,
yes,
that if you are having good product, if you have good team, then it makes sense. So
yes,
coming to more generic stuff, thanks for
yes.
informing all the
Yeah,
high
yeah, yeah.
tech and stuff
Sure.
like that.
Hmm.
Now coming to main point, Manas and Avinash, and now not only making a buzz in the country but across the world. Okay, so we are very proud of you. So
Thank you
Thank
so
you,
much,
take
sir.
sir.
my gratitude on that particular thing. I'm honored to be knowing you guys and being a part of your journey in a very small way,
Nah.
whatever. But now coming to the main point, for the benefit of all the viewers, I want you guys to tell that the idea, and whenever the guys are coming up with high technology idea or something deep tech and things like that, because there are many like that. So please give us a message what you want to tell them about idea to execution part, because I remember when you guys were sitting across the table with me, and there are thousands of ideas which jump around, and that is a problem of entrepreneur. There are 10
Yes,
ideas which come to his mind in that particular, but finding the right one, going behind it and pursuing that particular thing, what is the importance of that perseverance and the conversion of an idea to an execution? Please highlight it from a ground zero level for these
okay.
viewers.
For starting, if you have an idea, you just recognize what is your target market. If you target a large audience, and if your idea can solve the problem that uh, facing by some large group of number of peoples, that is the idea you have to work on that particular thing. It's not about you just have an idea, technological idea, and no one is going to buy your product. That is not feasible idea to work on in a startup. And second thing, don't copy. If your idea is unique, and if you can relate, yeah. For example, we have a product of a UV sanitizer based jacket, and in a country, in a world, there is a many peoples who are working on UV, and they are using in a robot, they are using in a closed chamber, and we thought about we have to do something else with the UVs, and
Exactly.
no one is going to relate that product into in terms of UV in clothing section. So that is how
Very
you
good.
can predict your idea to in a unique way. So the first thing,
Yes.
your idea should be unique, and it is going to sell, someone is going to buy your product in your market.
Like I like rephrase these things in my own words.
Please.
For me, what it is like, you have to find the vector. So So, but like by vector, what I say is ki what is your target audience and what new they will learn when they will get in touch with your product. Like what is the like in the existence things, but what is your product doing as an add-on? So like for UV also, we were like decided ki we will not work in UV. We will be we will be having no products in UV. But when this like the professor like approached us, so it was like this is something which is not made yet.
Yes,
This is
exactly.
something which is not made in portability, and this is
Yes.
something which is far beyond imaginable, because right now everybody is just hoping ki, and like they are like joining their hands and looking and ki if there should be that vaccine should come as soon as possible.
True, true.
So at
True.
that very point of time, uh, if we are getting into some tech which is somehow helpful, not in terms of that corona timeline only, but afterwards also, because UV
Yes,
has a very good
exactly.
expect, like for doctors, for medicals, like on their aprons, it should be a good compulsive thing if made carefully, because like we actually trust our materials. If we don't know about materials, you can't give anything which is harmful to humans and which is attached to the body.
Actually,
So
before launching that
yes,
product, we have
so we had that
procured that patent,
patents and all those things for
all
the
those things.
materials.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
Very good,
So
very good.
like so we had that tested in an NABL lab for the
Mhm.
accreditations. So
Very
that products comes with a good warranty and all those things. Like
good.
for
No,
with
I,
all,
I,
yes.
I
So
totally agree to that particular thing of yours, because I do
because like
remember.
yes.
No, no, please continue. Sorry.
Yeah. So the thing is ki those products, like when you work upon some novel product in which someone has dedicated his whole life, so patent is a
Yeah.
very good option which you have to go. For me,
Right.
like what I perceive from getting into from ground zero to a good patentable idea or to a good product is first confine your domain,
Hmm.
then confine your idea, and then get into the product. Like
True.
like when you confine your domain, then you have like endless possibilities when you're getting into that idea. So suppose there are 1 lakh domains, you're getting into one domain. Under one domain, you will get 1,000 ideas. Else, if you have 1 lakh domains, you will get 10
Yes.
ideas only. Yes. So that's why you have to actually confine
Right.
your domain, and then that bay of ideas will like extract. From that bay of ideas, you have to select one and work on it regardless anything happening into it.
Yes.
So like my vision for this is like
Very true.
any idea you have into your mind, just pitch it once, get into its feasibility, have its things like all done. Like we haven't had any type of plans for launching any type of products which is like related to corona and all those things, but like we had that
Mhm.
projected values and documents ready. So like when somebody like approached us, so we provided that. Okay, this is our plan, and this is how it has to be executed. So that actually gives you a good head start.
Agreed.
So like
Agreed.
in accordance to that only, yes, in accordance to that only, we are like on 17th of October we have some good rockets which are getting launched in Dehradun.
Be- 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 Best of luck.
Yeah, yeah,
Best
thank
of
you so
luck.
much. Thank you. Like in your guidance only, sir, it is like we had some good conversations before, and in accordance to that only we are getting into this words, or into getting into this good platform which we are like providing to Dehradun.
Idea of being a lone wolf, that I'm the only one, I'm the one who's with the idea, and this is what I'm wanting to do. What is your suggestion to them about the team? How important, not important you think the team is, and what is the role of a team in the whole venture development? What do you think about it?
Sir, my opinion on that is ki, like I had all the three phases which I have seen in startups. Like I was a student, I was a faculty, I am like right now an entrepreneur. So if I go line by line, no, like if I go side by side, or you can say stage by stage. In the initial time when I was a student, we had a team of around 150, 160 people. Okay? But with the advent of time, priority changes. The biggest part of this problem is that only, like the biggest challenge is that ki, with the advent of time, the priority of people changes. So if the people who actually counter these
Wow.
priorities converts their hobby into profession, that is my opinion on these things basically. So the people who actually convert their priorities are the people who actually convert their hobbies into profession. And
Yes.
in that meantime, in entrepreneurship, I think there is the team is the major or the strongest link you have. The strongest part of your whole company is your team. In the good times, in the bad times, if you have a good team, you can actually face any type and you can actually like overface any type of problem. If you don't have a team, if you think you can go alone, so you have to like rethink.
But don't think about quick earning money in startup. If you
Yes.
think about that, you cannot run a startup that has to be your dream and something fulfill like your dream. The team is the major thing. In TBI, we have in the starting phase we have
Definitely.
10 members.
Definitely, it's a marathon. Definitely,
Yes,
it's a marathon.
Exactly.
Like many people come, many people go, but like the people who stays are the people who will actually work or who are
Yes.
actually the priorities.
No, I totally.
Yes. So like these things we have actually countered in a very good perspective, and that is the main learning which we got is ki if you have priorities, maintain them till they last. Like if you don't have priorities over priorities, you are good to go. If you have priorities like which are destined, you are good to go. That is actually my point on the thing.
Hi Shaurya, how are you?
हम कटेगी वो कटे आगे सर.
हे भैया कैसे हो आप?
Sorry, guys, I got disconnected in between.
Okay.
I hope you guys have continued in that particular
Yeah,
case.
yeah, 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 yeah. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Before after a long time we have meet some fine people
Yeah.
we have worked with.
Sorry, if you have any question to ask, you can actually.
सॉरी सर, आपकी आवाज बिल्कुल ऑडिबल नहीं है.
The session is in recording phase. So if you want to ask some question, which would be you think would be of interest to all others, please go ahead.
Okay. Sir.
Sure.
Okay, sorry.
हाँ.
Yes.
सर मैंने एक्चुअली पूरा सेशन मैंने मिडिल से ज्वाइन किया, तो मेरे पास ऐसे कोई क्वेश्चन नहीं है, पर मैं जनरल क्वेश्चन पूछना चाहूंगा भैया से
Okay.
कि एक मैंने आप लोगों की टीम में हमेशा देखा, मतलब आपकी टीम बिल्डिंग बहुत अच्छी रही है शुरू से. मतलब जो बंदे आपके स्टार्टिंग से थे वो एंड तक, मतलब वो आपने बंदे होल्ड कैसे करके रखे अपनी पूरी ये स्टार्टअप जर्नी में? अभी भी आपके वो जो पुराने बंदे, आप एक कॉल करोगे अभी भी आपके साथ रेडी हैं वर्क करने के लिए.
हाँ, तो
वो बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट फैक्टर है.
लाइक एज अ फैकल्टी मैंने बहुत कम बच्चों को ट्रेन किया. ऐसा नहीं कि ट्रेन नहीं किया, पढ़ाया नहीं, लेकिन मेरे हिसाब से जो लोग मेरे लिए, देखिए मेरे लिए रोबोटिक्स एक ऐसी चीज है जो मेरे को हर एक तरीके से मेरे लिए ब्रेड एंड बटर है. मेरी अर्निंग वहीं से है, मेरी एजुकेशन वहीं से है. तो जो लोग एक्चुअली रोबोटिक्स को टाइम दे सकते हैं अच्छी तरीके से, जो इन चीजों के टेक्नोलॉजी के ऊपर काम करना चाहते हैं, वो मेरे लिए प्रायोरिटी रहती है हमेशा से ही प्रायोरिटी रही है. और वो बच्चे जो लोग इन चीजों में काम कर चुके हैं मेरे साथ, या जो मेरे साथ आगे काम करते हैं, वो लोग मेरे साथ काम करने को हमेशा रेडी रहते हैं. इसका कारण बस ये है कि हम लोग का ऐसा नहीं है कि कोई भी चीज कन्फाइंड रखी जाए. अगर कोई हमारे साथ जुड़ा हुआ है तो हमारे बैड साइड को भी जानता है और हमारे गुड साइड को भी जानता है. वो ऐसा नहीं है कि वो सिर्फ हमारे साथ एक डोमेन में काम कर रहा होगा. तो आई थिंक ही वुड बी एक्चुअली इन्वॉल्व इन आवर बीइंग्स, इन आवर लाइक टोटल लाइफ फॉर्म, और यू कैन से इन आवर एवरीडे लाइफ. तो उस वजह से हमारी अंडरस्टैंडिंग इतनी अच्छी बैठ जाती है. like when we started this company, the whole founders were used to live in the same house, so that if any type of idea emerge at any given point of time, तो हम लोग उस चीज को एग्जीक्यूट ना कर पाए उस टाइम पे, लेकिन एक्चुअली वी कैन डिस्कस कि इफ इट इज फिजिबल और नॉट. तो ये जो टीम बिल्डिंग चीजें होती हैं, ये चीजें एक्चुअली बहुत वर्क करती हैं इन सारी चीजों, मतलब इन सारे डोमेन्स में। और रही बात बड़ी टीम्स की, तो मैं फ्रैंकली बताऊंगा,
On the same note, on the same note, I would like, and Avinash or Manas can actually agree to it, that most of the people think that I don't want to start a venture, why would things like that.
Sorry, sir, you are not audible.
sir.
Yes.
Hello guys,
Yes, yes.
I sincerely apologize for my bad connection. You know, guys are thing or not. So, which I wanted to mention, Nash,
Yes.
Yes.
are you able to hear me?
Yes. Yes.
So, yeah. So my point of what I wanted to emphasize over here as well, that working on a startup has its own charm and it's a reward for the core team member, obviously, because they have their dream to complete. But even for the people who have worked in that particular case, shine very bright to the employers. And one of such example is, I think Ujjwal is the name of that guy, right?
Yes.
Who has worked with this D-Town Robotics from the very starting, and he is one of the top most guy who has got the placement from our university as well. So being working on a startup actually help you into shaping up and learning the skills, which is also very well appreciated in the external world, isn't it?
Yes.
Yes.
Exactly.
And that is what is actually take away from that particular. You guys want to throw some lights of what are the learnings which one get when they get into this entrepreneurship? Maybe not totally for founding the company, but being a part of a team.
Yes.
जो हमारा बेस्ट लर्न था इस पूरी जर्नी में, वो ये था कि आप क्या कहते हैं, किसी भी जिस टाइम पे आप अपने प्रोडक्ट्स को बेचने जाते थे, हम लोग स्टार्टिंग फेज पे जब हम लोगों ने स्टार्टअप शुरू करा था, तो स्टार्टिंग से ही आपका प्रोडक्ट बिकना नहीं शुरू होता है। फॉर एग्जांपल, हम लोगों ने काफी बड़ी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन के साथ काम भी करा था, लाइक बीएसएफ के साथ भी करा था, सीआईएसएफ के साथ भी करा था, या गवर्नमेंट डिपार्टमेंट्स के साथ भी काम करा था। नेगेटिव नहीं कह सकते हैं, बट किसी भी एक पर्टिकुलर प्रोडक्ट को आपको मार्केट में लाने के लिए उसको हाईलाइट करना बहुत जरूरी होता है, और उसके स्टार्टिंग में आपको प्रोडक्ट हो सकता है फ्री में भी देने पड़े, वो आपकी कैपेबिलिटी हो सकता है ना हो, बट आपको प्रोडक्ट को पब्लिसाइज तो करना ही पड़ेगा बिकॉज ऑफ योर स्टार्टअप। अभी मार्केट में काफी बड़ी बड़ी कंपनीज हैं जो आपके जैसे प्रोडक्ट बेचती हैं मार्केट में। स्टार्टिंग से हम लोगों ने अपने प्रोडक्ट्स को फ्री में देना शुरू करा, लर्निंग एक्सपीरियंस दिए कि हम लोगों ने अपनी जर्नी कैसे शुरू करी, अलग अलग कॉम्पिटिशन्स में जाके। स्टार्टअप एक बहुत बड़ा प्लेटफॉर्म बन चुका है इस टाइम पे इंडिया में। काफी प्लेटफॉर्म में फंडिंग, ग्रांट्स, ये सब चीजें मिलती हैं। तो हमारा मेन फोकस होता था कि हम लोग उस फंड को इकट्ठा करें और अपने प्रोडक्ट को हाईलाइट हमेशा करें। 1.5 ईयर निकला। 1.5 ईयर के बाद हमारा प्रोडक्ट रिकॉग्नाइज होना शुरू हुआ। फिर उसके बाद एक वे होता है किसी चीज को करने का। आप डायरेक्ट किसी भी चीज पे, आपका प्रोडक्ट ऐसा नहीं है कि आपने अगर कोई चीज बनाई है तो वो बहुत ज्यादा परफेक्ट है और सामने वाला अगर उसको अप्रिशिएट कर रहा है तो वो खरीदेगा ही। प्रोडक्ट को लेने के बाद कुछ रास्ते होते हैं जिस तरीके से आपको कैसे प्रोडक्ट बेचना है, कैसे प्रोडक्ट को एम्फेसाइज करना है। हम लोगों को पूरा 1.5 साल लगा कि एक स्टार्टिंग प्रोडक्ट से लेके फाइनल प्रोडक्ट पे आने में। फिर हम लोगों ने उस प्रोडक्ट को गवर्नमेंट टेंडर के थ्रू भरा, वहां से हम लोगों को फर्स्ट अपॉर्चुनिटी मिली। फिर काफी सबसे मेन चीज होती है कनेक्ट्स। अगर आप अपने प्रोडक्ट को लेके ये सोचेंगे कि आपका आइडिया है और उस आइडिया को कोई भी खरीद लेगा, कॉपी कर लेगा, बेच लेगा या उसको टेक ओवर कर लेगा, तो फर्स्ट थिंग आपका आइडिया ही इतना ज्यादा इजी है कि अगर कोई भी कॉपी कर सकता है तो वो आपके मार्केट में उतरने के बाद उसको कॉपी करके बेच सकता है। स्टार्टिंग अगर आप स्टार्टअप है तो इट डजंट मीन कि लाइक आपने जो प्रोडक्ट बनाया इतनी मेहनत से बनाया और कोई पैसे वाला आएगा उस 4 इंजीनियर इकट्ठे करके वो प्रोडक्ट कॉपी करके नहीं बेच सकता है। मेन थिंग ये है कि आपके प्रोडक्ट में और आपके आइडिया में एक यूनिकनेस होनी चाहिए. सेकंड थिंग, आपके कनेक्ट बहुत ज्यादा स्ट्रांग होने चाहिए. आप किसी को भी प्रोडक्ट दिखाओ और आपका जो कॉन्फिडेंस है वो हमेशा आपके प्रोडक्ट के साथ निकलना चाहिए.
Exactly. That's very true. That is something which is always differentiating factor. That is always a differentiating factor.
In that context only, I'm glad to like tell you all like we have a good group of mentors we have right now.
Yes.
So apart in that, like I will get to know into some of the names. So one of them is Mr. Anil Dhawan, who is the director of DB Secure Solutions Private Limited. He has been in the security industry for last 30 years.
Wow.
And he has been the MD of CP Plus. Like he is and he right now is the co-chairman for Asocham.
Guys, you guys have become now people who can be mentor for others. So it is like we will look forward to.
Sir, I'm just giving some examples just to give you confidence.
No, I totally understand. You know, it's good for the public to know.
Like the other person which we are in contact is with Captain B.N. Yadav, who is actually a good friend of our Vice Chancellor, sir. And he is actually, he is actually like from last 30 years, he has been the head of security in IIT Delhi.
Wow.
Yeah.
Very nice.
And the third person who is right now, which we are interacting is Mr. M.S. Upadhyay, who is the Chief Director Security, Delhi Metro Railway Corporation. Like who actually looks over all the security concerns of Delhi Metro. So we are actually in good contact with all these people, and we are actually trying to provide some type of good solutions which we can provide into like these basic profiles. So मैं तो सर एक बात कहना चाहूँगा सबको यही है कि अगर आप स्टार्टअप में जुड़ते हो तो कोई बड़ी पोस्ट नहीं है, कोई छोटी पोस्ट नहीं है. जो सब लोग होते हैं सबको सारा काम आना चाहिए. सब लोग सारा काम करते हैं और इसी वजह से वो एक इकोसिस्टम की तरह डेवलप होता है, एक टीम की तरह डेवलप होता है, ना कि एक वर्क कल्चर की तरह डेवलप होता है.
स्टार्टअप बस एक पैसे कमाने की तरह नहीं शुरू करना चाहिए. उसको इस तरीके से करें कि लाइक आपने एक अपना ड्रीम शुरू करा है, मोर एंड लेस आपको रिजल्ट मिलेगा, बट आपको उसके साथ जुड़े, उस प्रोडक्ट के साथ जुड़ा या उस कंपनी के साथ जुड़े होके रहना पड़ेगा. अगर आप ये सोचेंगे कि मैंने एक स्टार्टअप शुरू करा, मेरी कंपनी में दूसरा बंदा है, वो उसको ज्यादा प्रॉफिट मिल रहा है या मुझको, ये सब चीजें जब आना शुरू हो जाती हैं तो एक स्टार्टअप अनस्टेबल हो जाता है. प्रोडक्ट तो बाद में खरीदेगा, पहले आपकी टीम स्ट्रांग होनी चाहिए, आपके बीच में अंडरस्टैंडिंग होनी चाहिए. तो मेन थिंग ये है कि अगर आप स्टार्टअप शुरू कर रहे हैं तो लाइक आप लोग स्टार्टअप शुरू करें, उसके बाद आपका कुछ पॉइंट्स हैं जो सबसे ज्यादा स्ट्रांग होने चाहिए. आपका प्रोडक्ट यानी आपकी टेक्निकल नॉलेज बहुत ज्यादा स्ट्रांग होनी चाहिए, क्योंकि मार्केट में गवर्नमेंट या किसी भी पब्लिक सेक्टर में आप या प्राइवेट सेक्टर में जाएंगे, आपके प्रोडक्ट को बिल्कुल निचोड़ के देखा जाता है. फर्स्ट थिंग. सेकंड थिंग, आपकी टीम बहुत ज्यादा स्ट्रांग होनी चाहिए. फाइनेंशियल बैकग्राउंड एक बार को स्ट्रांग नहीं होता है, उसके लिए गवर्नमेंट ने बहुत सारी स्कीम्स निकाल रखी है. आपको टीम को डाइवर्सिफाई करना पड़ेगा कि एक टीम टेक्निकल देख रही है, एक टीम हो सकता है सारे टेक्निकल हो. हमारे स्टार्टअप में सब लोग टेक्निकल है, लेकिन उसमें से कुछ मार्केट देखते हैं, कुछ टेक्निकल टीम देखते हैं, कुछ टीम को मैनेज करना देखते हैं. और टीबीआई फॉर लाइक टीबीआई अपनी कंपनी को स्टार्ट करने के लिए टीबीआई सबसे बेस्ट प्लेटफॉर्म मिला था. फर्स्ट जो एक ऑफिस वाली छत होती है वो हम लोगों को टीबीआई में मिली, वहां से हम लोगों ने टीम को गैदर करना शुरू करा. तो लाइक ये सारी चीजें जब तक आप एक उसमें एनवायरनमेंट में नहीं लेके आते तब तक आप स्टार्टअप को स्टेबल नहीं कर सकते. तो बेस्ट थिंग यही है कि अपने आइडिया के साथ जुड़े रहें, अपने टीम के साथ जुड़े रहें. मोर और लेस अपने देहरादून में अपने ग्राफिकरा में इतना अच्छा प्लेटफॉर्म है, वहां पे आप लोगों को सपोर्ट मिल सकता है, वहां से आप सपोर्ट लें. लेकिन कभी बड़े ड्रीम्स को पाने के लिए रास्ता ऐसा नहीं होता है कि आप जस्ट गए और आपने एक ऑफिस मिला और वो सक्सेसफुल हो गया रातों रात.
Thanks Avinash, thanks Manas. You know, these are the thoughts which I wanted to share with the crowd.
Thank you, sir.
Yes, sir. Thank you so much.
So thank you for your time. Okay,
so
we are running out of time in that particular case.
Okay.
Yes.
It was always
No,
pleasure
sir.
to talk to you guys.
All the best,
I'm
sir.
looking forward to have you back, you know, in Dehradun with some more bands and we are all looking for the surprises which you are promising us.
Yeah, sure.
So keep in touch. Best
Thank you so much, sir. All the best, sir.
Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you, guys. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Bye.
Bye.
Take care.
Hello.